Hi all, welcome to Anil Nair classes YouTube channel. My name is Anil Nair. In this video we are going to discuss the selection criteria of top 6 IIMs. I am referring to Blackie, the oldest IIM Ahmedabad. We will discuss the selection criteria, Bangalore, Kolkata, Kozhikode, Lucknow and Indore, most popularly called as Blackie. In this video I am going to discuss with respect to having an academic score and without having a great academic score, still how you can get into all these top 6 IIMs. Listen to every slide of mine, make a keep note of every important key points which I am discussing. First let us discuss about IIM Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad, oldest management institute in India. They do the selection process either through the checking the average marks of 10th and 12th. If your average marks of 10th and 12th it is less than 80, then IIM Ahmedabad it is out. In case if it is greater than or equivalent to 80, then probably with a greater higher percentile, clearing the sectional cutoff and clearing the overall cutoff for a general, probably it is 99.9596 should fetch a call. In case if you do not have average marks as greater than or equivalent to 80, still there are chances you can get into IIM Ahmedabad if you are the top 50 scorer from a particular academic discipline. We have got arts, commerce, medical, biotechnology, pharmacy and everything. For example, if you are from pharmacy, take all the students who are from pharmacy writing this CAT examination, right? If you are one among the top 50 scorers, irrespective of your average score of 10th and 12th, you will get a call to sit for the second round. This is how the students whose past academic scores are not strong still can make it into IIM Ahmedabad by being there in the top 50 scorers from a particular discipline. In case if you are from an engineering background, and you probably did not get a good average marks of 10th and 12th, still you can be there in the top 50 by getting a minimum percentile of 99.96 percentile. If you get 99.96 percentile under general category, that too from an engineering background, most likely you will be there in the top 50. For a non-engineering background students, 99.7 plus percentile will prove to be a safe score for you to get into the second round under these category of top 50 score category. IIM Ahmedabad takes students into the second round under two categories. One is your average marks of 10th and 12th. It should be greater than 80. You should cross the individual cutoff. You should cross the overall cutoff and probably 99.9 plus under general category with an exceptionally past academic excellence. You are almost into the second round. In case if your average scores of 10th and 12th is less than 80, but you are the top 50 scorers from a particular discipline of yours, right? You can still get a second round call. Generally for an engineering students to be there in the top 50, anything greater than 99.96 percentile is a safe bet. In case if you are from a non-engineering background, 99.7 percentile is considered to be the safe score. Generally sometimes 99 or 99.2 percentile also people will get a calls from IIM Ahmedabad. In case if you are from a particular academic discipline where the number of people who are writing the CAT examination are very low. For example, it could be an pharmacy background or any other medical related background, number of CAT aspirants from the discipline are very low. IIM Ahmedabad, I hope it is clear. Now let us see some more important points. So as I told you, right, for a non-engineering students, targeting IIM Ahmedabad interview call depending upon your academic discipline, 99.99.2 percentile could be enough for a specific academic discipline. In general, 99.7 percentile is what you require, right? In case if your average is above 80 percentile. If your average is above 80 percentage in 10th and 12th, if you are from a general category, you should get 99.7 plus percentile to get into the second round. In case if your average is less than 80 percentage in 10th and 12th, general category, you should be there in the top 50 score. For you to be there in the top 50 score, you should get anywhere greater than 99.96 percentile. I hope it is clear. Two criteria. Similarly, IIM Kolkata is one most benevolent institute because they do not consider the graduation scores for shortlisting. So in IIM Ahmedabad, they consider that you should get greater than 80 percentage average of 10th and 12th, but in IMC they do not consider your graduation scores, and they also will not consider your work experience, number of months duration while calling students for the interview. Their average marks of 10th and 12th will not be considered, your work experience also will not be considered for you to call to the second round. In case if your average scores are greater than 80 percentage in 10th and 12th, 99.7 plus percentile will definitely guarantee a call from IMC. Suppose if it is less than 80 percentage, you should get anywhere close to 99 plus 99.8 percentile, 99.8 percentile. I hope it is clear. Average greater than 80, 99.7 percentile. Average decreases, the percentile that you should get, you should be more. In case if your average scores are less than 70 percentage, anywhere 99.95 percentile, you should get to get a call from IMC. Remember, three kinds of students who got less than 80, students who got greater than 80, and students who got less than 70. Less than 70 percentage, 99.95. From 70 to 80, you should come close to 99.8 percentile. Greater than 80 percentage, 99.7 plus percentile. A fair idea, depending upon your mock scores, depending upon your previous academic scores, you can be a judge of your own percentile. You will come to know, depending upon general, OBC, SC, ST criteria, whether you will get a call or not. In case if it is IIM Lucknow, Ahmedabad we did it, we did it. Bangalore, there is a separate selection criteria, which I will mention it clearly in a separate video. IIM Lucknow, similar to IMC, they do not consider 10th marks for shortlisting, and they give very good weightage to the CAT score and the work experience while shortlisting the students into the second round. Generally, if the students did not get a good graduation scores, they can increase it with high percentile and high work experience. If your graduation scores are little low, try to maximize your CAT percentile, and in case if you got a healthy work experience of close to 2 to 3 years, I think that should give you some additional points. It gives 10% weightage to 12th and graduation scores. IIM Lucknow does not consider your class 10th marks for shortlisting. 12th marks you should get 10% graduation, Also it will give a weightage. If your work experience is greater than 2.5 years, that is 18 months, you will get full 10% marks, In case if you are from work experience. CAT score and work experience is given due attention for IIM Lucknow. IIM Lucknow, in the personal interview, there is out of 40 marks, you should cross a cutoff of 12 marks. In case if you do not cross 12 marks out of 40 marks in personal interview, probably your admission will be deferred, and you will not be offered admission irrespective of your total scores. Please remember, in IIM Lucknow, in personal interview is for 40 marks. You should get greater than 12 marks. If you got less than 12 marks and you did exceptionally well in other things, still your admission will be rejected. Very important key point, a student should keep it in mind to get into IIM Lucknow. Now let us get into IIM Kozhikode, right? IIM Kozhikode, they also do not consider class 10th scores, and they will give an high weightage to CAT score. After CAT score, the next high weightage things are personal interview, written ability test, 10th, 12th, and work experience. Generally, for a general category student, in case if your academic scores are very poor, you can try to chase 99.8 plus percentile to get a call from IIM Kozhikode. IIM Kozhikode 99.8 plus percentile if your academic scores are less than 80. If it is greater than 80, 99.6, 99.7 will definitely give a call. These each and every video of mine with respect to B school selection criteria, with respect to the most important topics that are coming, each and every video, please watch it. Strategy is as important as the preparation. You know how to play cricket, but playing test match, playing one day match, and playing T20, all three are different games altogether. Each and every game to win, we will use a different strategy. That is the reason a set of strategy videos I am keeping to help the students to understand what to prepare, when to prepare, how to prepare, and what not to prepare. IIM criteria, Lucknow criteria, right? Let us do IIM Indore criteria. IIM Indore is one business school which gives 40% weightage to personal interview, 20% weightage to written test score, and 10th and 12th 10. So generally the CAT score weightage for IIM Indore, it is just 20%. 20% is the weightage for CAT score, 40% maximum weightage for personal interview, and 20% for your written ability skills, and 10% each for 10th and 12th. 10th and 12th, it is 10% each. So in case if you secured less in graduation, still you can get a call from IIM Indore, right? In case if you are, right, now see here, in case if your class 10th and class 12th scores is low, probably you will not get a call irrespective of your CAT score, right? If your graduation scores are low, you may get a call from IIM Indore, but your 10th and 12th scores are not at all good, then probably IIM Indore will not call you. Generally, IIM Indore does a normalization to the board percentage. Always the students who are preparing for CAT examination from, right, Tamil Nadu and Andhra must keep this factor into account. IIM Indore does the board percentage normalization. In the next few videos, I will talk in detail about these normalization and other things. IIM Bangalore, I will keep a separate video, right? There is a criteria for selection into IIM Bangalore. I hope it is clear. IIM Indore, again I am repeating some important points. IIM Indore, right, graduation scores are low, you may get a call from IIM Indore, but 10th and 12th scores are low, then you are in trouble from IIM Indore. Maximum weightage is given to personal interview, right? CAT score weightage is just 20%. IIM Kozhikode, class 10th scores are not considered. Your PI, VAT, 10th, 12th and work experience are having a little high weightage for you to get a call. Class 10th scores are not considered. General category, IIMK, academic scores are less. 99.8 plus is what you should get into it. IIM Lucknow, they do not consider class 10th marks for shortlisting. In case if your work experience is greater than 2.5 years, 10% marks. 10 percentage weightage to 12th and graduation. The most important thing in IIM Lucknow is, in personal interview, you should gross 12 marks out of 40. In case if you got less than 12, then you will not get a call even though you meet other requirements. IIM Kolkata, they do not consider your graduation marks, they do not consider your work experience marks. If your average 10th and 12th is greater than 80, 99.7 is your target, less than 80, 99.8 is your target, less than 70, 99.95 is your target. I am Ahmedabad. In all these B schools, in case if you are from the top 50 scorers all over India from a particular academic discipline, then you will get a call. I hope all the top business schools it is clear. I am Bangalore. I will do a separate video. In case if you are enjoying these strategy videos, kindly click on the like button and share it with all your friends who are preparing for CAT examination. In case if you wanted to enroll for the course, you can always check some of my demo videos present in our YouTube channel. The oldest YouTube channel started way back in 2011, and you can WhatsApp this number to know more about the program details. Thanks a lot for watching the video. With love, Anil Nair.